How to borrow money from Cash App without a job. In this video, we're going to be talking about Cash App and how you can borrow money without an actual job. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Cash App. That's going to look as so. And from there on out, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going ahead and adding our bank credit card or debit card, whatever you have. So once you link your bank using your debit card, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to go ahead and set a savings goal like this for yourself where you're, going to get endless cash limits and withdrawals. So once that is done, in the savings section, you're going to go over to pay and request. In pay and request, you're going to request any type of specific amount of money. And once you have done that, what it allows you to do is it allows you to request money from Cash App, or you could even use Afterpay. Okay. So Cash App Borrow is something you're going to want to access, or Afterpay if you want to borrow money from Cash App. And that is pretty much about it for this video. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.